it physically got in the car. We're still up here at Big Hat Racing East, also known as XS Engineering Limited. We have tools, we have Thunderbirds. What we mostly have is an overhead gantry and a two-post, which has really made doing the trial fit on the engine a lot easier. Right now, probably the biggest thing that I didn't fully anticipate was the location of the mounts are here versus this is where the mount was for using the big block in this car. The air conditioning compressor is like right there, and this actually wants to come down a little bit further in the front. The alternator is also tucked right in beside what used to be the mount for the torque torque strap. I'm going to remove the rubber and stuff on this to make sure the alternator clears. This is why I had the alternator and the AC compressor on here, because I knew that they were going to be part of the front dress questions. In the back, in order to get the trans roughly where it needs to be, we still need actually the trans to come further up in the tunnel if it's going to sit like it used to relative to the drive shaft safety loop here. The T56, other T56 setup, we've got maybe, oh God, 3/4 of an inch up there, and I think by the time this goes up, then the drive shaft will fit. It is a bigger diameter metal matrix drive shaft, so we'll see. So we're going to space up. This mount was the mount I used with the T56 before, but we're going to have to raise it back, obviously. Probably going to use different fluid. Anyway, so very interesting aspects about where the motor mounts want to be relative to this. But at least it fits. That's the back of driver's side cylinder head, and that's the back of the other one. Fortunately, that's it. There's nothing else back there, so it's going to be snug, but it's going to fit.